Felsburg Holt Ullevig focuses on transportation. That's all we do.
We make life better for our communities, and we do it really well. Better from a transportation standpoint, better from an environmental standpoint, just better from a quality of life.
So 40 years ago, our three founders started a single office, just the three of them, right here in Denver South. We are now a group of over 200 really exceptional people that are passionate about transportation.
I think this is pretty awesome, what we're doing today.
All right.
We are building bikes for second graders.
There you go.
Got it? Is it good?
Yeah! We wanted to build a culture where people enjoyed what they were doing.
All right.
You did it!
Oh, I am looking at camaraderie. I'm looking at passion.
And they wanted to come to work.
I'm just looking at a lot of FHU spirit today.
FHU employees do say that working here is different than other places.
Culture is the most important thing that allows a company to survive and to thrive.
You can't put a price on that.
I'm very proud of FHU. I'm very lucky I work here. I'm very happy I work here. It's a great place to work.
You want to play with the truck?
You can cross on the green. We want it raised all the way through, so it's a continuous surface.
We talk about unleashing your joy.
These jars are all the project goals that we have. It's rejuvenating to be out here in front of the public. Try to avoid areas of impact. Makes me feel empowered, like I'm making a difference. I think a lot of people, a big thing they want to do is they want to leave their mark.
We want to provide great service to our clients and great solutions to the people who live in those communities. This is the most exciting time to be working in the transportation industry.